Are you curious whether it's possible for your iPad 5, 6 or 7 generation to split the screen into 3 categories just like an iPad Pro how it does? And this video aims at insisting utilization of what we got. Yo, what's up guys? Today I want to share with you about this incredible secret towards splitting our iPad screen into three slides or 3 sides for easing studies, or whether you are doing only other works and other things. Also, you can just split into multiple sides or multiple pages and be able to work on them. So we're using, for this tutorial, we're using our iPad 5th generation, but all this can just be done with your iPad Pro or iPad 7, iPad 6 and other generations of iPad. Let's get started. So for me as a student, I'll open up a main studying course or topic which I'm gonna need to get enrolled currently, and also I'll need to open up also a note-taking side, and also I need also to open up another or to join the online classes on the other page as well, so that to be able to listen, to attend the class, the online class, as well as take the notes immediately. If you're doing it for the office work, you can do it as well. You might be using YouTube and you're on the other platform, Telegram or other platform, and be able to do multi-purpose. So let's get started. I'm gonna open my Notability, and you can see this is one of my notes which I'm gonna be using for this tutorial. This is my notes, guys. So how we're gonna do it, there is a quick tip for those who are using Notability, like you, in case you wanna just split in within here over here. So you can just scroll from the left, like you scroll like this, and you tap any of the notes if you wanna put it over here. Once you tap that notes, you can just drag and drop it as if you're coming to drop, and you can see it has already split into 2. So if you bring it the other side, it changes, switches. If you bring it the other side, it changes. That's one way. Yeah, or you can return it. The other way how you split, you can just click on these 3 dots, and after that it gives you the option either to switch view on the left or view on the right, because this is the new version of Notability. So if you click on the left or right, it will take you to that side. So we have finished with step number 1, which was splitting into 2. We got the part here where we're gonna be doing our notes here, and here we're gonna be doing our studies. So this is 1 and this is, here we got 2. So now back into the other category. So cause I already got here the place where I'll be attending the class for pulmonary emphysema. So I'll just be needing to take notes over here, and in case I need to crop any of the picture over here, I can just copy and paste it over here, so the notes will be just quicker like that in case I need to capture an image. So now I need to open the 3rd category from here, so I'll need to join the online classes. So you can see now my classes are all in English. So for example, I need to attend any class maybe from here, from my platform. I could just come over here and bring my screen over here. You can see that. And now I could just choose maybe to watch, maybe if it's a video. By the way guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, guys. The family has grown currently and we're doing much better. Subscribe and be part of the family. So you can see over here, so I could just attend any of the video over here and be sharing while taking note over here. If he's listening, like watching like this video, click the video will be playing,
what's up guys,
you can just be going on taking notes over here, or if was maybe searching something from Google, you could grab anything from even Wikipedia or something like that, and that could be very easy. Yeah, so that was all for this video. Hope now you ain't gonna let down your available stuffs in case you got your iPad 5, iPad 6, 7, 8, 9, whatsoever. Just use it. You can split the screen as much as you can. Yeah, they can do and they can explore much just like an iPad Pro. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you later.